Meaning of fuel cell.
Fuel cell.
Fuel cell.
Fuel cell.
Fuel cell. A fuel cell is an electrochemical device that converts the chemical energy of a fuel, usually hydrogen, and an oxidant, usually oxygen, directly into electricity. Unlike traditional combustion methods, fuel cells do not produce harmful emissions and are more efficient at converting fuel to electricity. Fuel cells have been used in a variety of applications, ranging from backup power sources for military and civilian installations, to powering cars, buses, and even spacecraft. As sustainable energy alternatives become more sought after, fuel cells are increasingly being considered as a key component in the transition to a greener future.